new Macbook Pro and why not to buy one? Hey guys, it's AHS here and today let's take a look on the Macbook Pro 2018. The refresh consists of more performance upgrade to the new 8th generation 6-core processors. Now the 13-inch model has base clock up to of 2.7 GHz and boost up to 4.5 GHz. While the 15-inch has base up to 2.9 GHz and boost up to 4.7 GHz. The graphics are also upgraded and new external graphics was released which go great with the new True Tone display. The keyboard of the new Mac was also changed with the 3rd generation of Butterfly keyboard. The security of the new Macbook Pro was also updated with the new Apple T2 chips. And Apple has introduced new SSD technology which can be upgraded up to 4 TB. But this new Macbook Pro is not cheap, it starts from $2,800 with base price. It can be configured with i7 or i9 processors and finally DDR4 16GB or 32GB memory. The SSD as before can be configured with the 4 TB of storage but with hefty price of $3,200. Yet I know it's expensive, but a fully decked out Macbook Pro can cost up to $7,000 without any software options. But beware, the new Macbook cannot cool itself, which is why in rendering it's slower than 2017 Macbook Pro. So why not to buy one? It's simple, if you have a use for it, buy it, or you do not want to spend that much on a laptop. Buy a new better desktop PC, the choice is always yours. Finally, like, subscribe and comment. Peace.